Hey y'all, I can't tell y'all how heartbroken I am. Look at my plants. Look at my kale plants. 5 kale plants stripped. And look at the collards they got over here too. Something done came and helped themselves to my greens, y'all. I was so heartbroken. That's okay. At least yesterday I did get to eat some of them. But look at them, y'all. Stripped. That's okay. When life gives you lemons, you just gotta roll with it, y'all. I guess I just gotta roll with it. So I'm gonna put some citrus peels out here, see if that will deter them a little bit. Hopefully they won't come back, but they ate so good last night. I know they're coming back. So I just can do the best that I can do, y'all. I'm so pissed. I'm so pissed. Whew. I went out there because I had my mind set on making me a kale salad. Little did I know they had stripped the stalks. Well, they come back, they getting a good whiff of what they don't like. These citrus peels. I just left them uncovered, and I had been leaving them uncovered overnight for, I guess, since the weather had turned. Not long, maybe a week. And they were doing so good, y'all. They were doing so good, and my kale plants was looking good. I was able to eat off of them till I wasn't. But I'm gonna put this citrus out here to repel them, deter them, whatever you want to call it. I know they don't like the smell of this, so I'm checking around to see what else got damaged. Okay, look like they don't like the herbs, right? They don't like the onions, which I thought was keeping them away, but I guess the smell wasn't strong enough. They didn't touch the containers over here with the lids on them. Didn't touch my seedlings over here. Didn't bother the carrots. But look, collard greens, they nibbled on these. They didn't like this as much as they liked the kale. They finished off the kale though. They got all my kale plants, y'all. And they just ate like a little bit of the collards over here. None of the collards that were over in the center of the deck. But I had them stacked next to each other like this so I could put the cover on them easier. Look at it, just left one leaf dangling. Ooh, my heart sank. Look at that, y'all. They even started eating the stalks. Stripped. That's okay. When life gives you lemons, you just make some delicious lemonade. We're going to work with it. We're going to drop some more seeds. And we're going to pray that God going to be good to us and let them grow fast, because I tell y'all, I'm missing my kale already. I'm missing my kale. But that's okay. I'm going to make a couple of drinks. And because I've already peeled these lemons, I don't want them to go to waste. I'm going to make a strawberry lemonade, and I'm going to make a pineapple lemonade. And yeah, I'm trying hard, guys. I'm trying to lift my spirits. I'm so pissed. So I just put 1 cup of strawberries, and I put 1 whole lemon, which was already peeled. I just sliced it up and put it into this plastic container. And I'm going to use my immersion blender to just kind of break this down. Now this is a drink that will, the way I make it, it has pulp in it, but of course you can strain it off. You know, strain it and off the pulp and the seeds. But I just do the immersion blender and mix it that way, because I don't mind the pulp so much. The fiber's good for you. But if you're the type of person that don't like pulp in your drinks, just strain it off when you finish fixing it, and you should be good. So let me get to work on this. I like this because it's easier. You could use a mortar and just, kind of pound ground it down. I think that's how some people do it, but this is quick and easy. It only takes a couple of minutes, and I'll have I'm gonna put it in mason jars, and that way I'll have it to drink. You know, strawberry lemonade and the pineapple lemonade. It's pretty good, guys. You should try it. And I just use 1/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. You could also use honey or agave, stevia, whatever you use as a sweetener. 1/4 of a cup of sugar is all I use, but if you like it real sweet, of course, you just add more sugar. Like I said, this is quick and easy. Just use your immersion blender and blend it on up. We're gonna pour that combination into a mason jar, and then we're gonna add. Well, let's go ahead and blend up the second one since we got everything all set up here. I'm just gonna blend the lemon, just cutting it up, breaking it down, make it a little easier for the blender. Add the pineapple and add 1/4 of a cup of sugar, and we should be good to go. I sure hope you guys are having a better day than me. Oh, that's okay. We know what to do. Drop some more seeds. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this up real quick, guys. It's already in my hand. Go on and wash it. Okay, now we're just gonna dump this mixture into the second mason jar, and we is ready to rock and roll. Easy peasy. We already got our sweetener in there. We got our lemons. We got our 2 different fruits, strawberry and pineapple. And we're just gonna put some ice in there, and then we'll put some water in there, whatever type of water you use, spring water, purified water, distilled water, whatever you drink, sparkling water. I'm just gonna put some spring water in there. Now you could stick a spoon in there, even a straw in there, and try to stir it up, but not me. I'm just gonna put the top on it. I got these mason jar lids. Makes it easy, and just give it a good shake, and we ready to go. Now with them in the mason jar, these will last you a couple of days because they're in the mason jar, and just keep them in the fridge, but this will be gone. This will be gone by morning. So guys, the message of the day: when life gives you lemons, you just make a lemonade, honey, and call it a day. Start again tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.